As part of ongoing efforts to modernize and streamline tax administration in Nigeria, the Joint Revenue Board (JRB) and the Nigerian Revenue Service (NRS) are pleased to announce the launch of the Nigerian Tax ID Portal. What is the Tax ID? The Tax Identification (Tax ID) is a unique, system-generated number assigned to all taxable persons in Nigeria for the purpose of tax administration. For individuals, the Tax ID is linked to their National Identification Number (NIN). For non-individuals, businesses and organizations, it is linked to their Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) registration number. How to retrieve your Tax ID? Visit www.taxid.jrb.gov.ng or www.taxid.nrs.gov.ng. For individuals, click on the Individual tab on the homepage. Select National Identification Number (NIN). Enter your 11-digit NIN. Click on Retrieve Tax ID. Enter first name, last name and date of birth exactly as captured by NIMC. Click Continue. 13-digit Tax ID will be displayed. For non-individuals, registered entities, click on the Corporate tab. Select the appropriate organization type. Enter your CAC registration number, as applicable. Click Retrieve Tax ID. 13-digit Tax ID will be displayed. It's that simple. Key information. Effective date. The use of the new Tax ID becomes effective from January 1, 2026, replacing previously issued TINs. Purpose. The Tax ID is strictly for tax administration. Security assurance. The introduction of the Tax ID will not lead to bank account deductions or closures due to non-compliance. Key benefits. Unified identification for all taxpayers. Simplified access to tax-related services. Nationwide accessibility and ease of use. Availability. The Nigerian Tax ID Portal is now live and accessible to all taxpayers across Nigeria starting January 1, 2026. For further assistance, taxpayers are encouraged to visit the portal or contact their nearest